County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Madison County in southeastern Texas, north central Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Lovelady, or 9 miles southeast of Ostonio, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lovelady. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National